Hey Facebook, this is for my Facebook friends. Hi, it's Rob, for those that don't really know me. I'm leaving in a little over a week, but I decided I'm going to go ahead and start packing because I always wait to the last minute, and that's a horrible idea. Hey Kyle, I'm going to wave at you. I waved! Did I want to tag Matthew Hall on this video? No? I'm going to wave to you too, guys. Hey. Anyway, as I was saying, I am packing for Wacken Open Air in Germany. I'm not sure if I'm going to take my Texas flag or not. I'll let you comment right now to decide whether I take this Texas flag or I have an all blue flag that has the white star in the middle and has Texas written around it. Hey Kim, your husband is German. Ask him which flag I should take with me to Wacken. Anyway, so I'm packing up these Space Saver bags with the vacuum are the best. Tim did a great job with the nose. Thanks so much, pal. People seem to dig it. So I met several bands that were trying to go, so I am going to make sure to represent when I'm there. And how do I, oh, here we go. Okay, I'm switching around. So I have this canopy bed. I'm going to be working the overnight soon, but I'm just going to put window film. But these are the shirts I'm going to wear. Of course, I'm going to represent myself. I've got descendants from Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. They were the East Coast. I should just wear Texas flag, jorts, boots, maybe a hat. No, not doing that. Not doing that, Elisa. Sorry. These guys were the East Coast Wacken Open Air winners. I saw them play in LA and they kicked ass. We got Violence System. They were the Atlanta regional winners that played at the USA final. Super nice dudes, a badass shirt. All these shirts are badass, actually. I'm proud to represent all of them. Epic Death, local band. Super nice people. Really fun band. If you're in the Houston area, definitely check them out. They play all over Texas. Envy the Dead. Bet you didn't know I was going to wear this. So, guys, one of my favorite bands, local band. They're all pals of mine. Love these guys. If you have a chance, check them out. They're playing the Summer Slaughter show here in Houston on August 10th. And definitely check them out. And we've got Nahaya from San Antonio. They were the Texas winners. This is a really sweet shirt with a lot of colors going on there. They're actually looking for a new singer. Toxic Ruin, the Chicago winners from Sheboygan, Wisconsin. I'm going to see them at Full Terror Assault Open Air, and I will actually have press credentials for that. And then, yes, I have 2 of the Most Epic Adventure shirts because why not? Most of the shirts are blank on the background. There's a couple of them, like the Epic Death. To get to Valhalla, you must have an epic death. And this is the Violent System, Slaves to the Bloodshed. And then that's it. Just those 2 have something on the back. But guys, you guys didn't make it to actually perform. But I'm going to wear these shirts. And 75,000 crazy metalheads will see me representing your band. So thanks for being my friend. Thanks for supporting the Most Epic Adventures. And thanks for those of you that have watched this and are going to watch this to see me in action. Hey, Nick, dude, go back and rewind this. You too, Dennis. Guys, I represented your bands. I'm telling you how I'm going to represent your bands at Wacken. Or Wacken. I've heard both. Anyway, so I'm going to represent all these bands there, and on the Most Epic Adventures page, not my personal Facebook page, but the page for the Most Epic Adventures, make sure you have notifications turned on for that, and you will see live videos from there. Hopefully there'll be Wi-Fi or good cell phone service. So please, if you haven't already, you don't have to like the page, maybe follow it, but check it out. I will share the videos, but if you want to see them live, you have to go there and get the notifications turned on. I'm flying into Frankfurt. I will arrive next Sunday morning. I'm leaving Saturday afternoon, not tomorrow, but the next Saturday. And oh, hello, Demu. Look, Demu wants to say hi. She's like, hello. Sorry. So, as I was saying, I'm flying into Frankfurt. Thankfully, they have showers there. I looked that up. And then I'm going to get on a bus to go. It's going to drive to Hanover and make a 15-minute stop there. Hopefully, I can make a quick video in Hanover. Hopefully, it won't be too far away from the town square. I can jump around and be like, hey, look at this cool statue, whatever. And then we will go on to Bremen. And in Bremen, I'm actually going to spend like 2 full days there. So, or 2.5 days. I'm coming back there, but that's where I'm going to get on the Wacken bus. One of my German friends. The W in German makes a V sound, but I hear people call it Wacken, though I would think it's pronounced Wacken. So if somebody could help me out with that, I've heard both. So I guess you're not wrong either way. But I'm going to hang out in Bremen. There's a really cool museum. Their soccer sorry, it's a little shaky. I'm holding my iPhone. There's a soccer stadium that is just covered in solar panels. And it's not soccer season right now, but I'm still going to check it out like I did when I went to Munich. There's a couple of cool statues, some cool art. And I have a friend there that's going to show me around, at least one. So hopefully I'll bring you some stuff from, like, if you look online, there's not a whole lot about Bremen, and it's not a tiny town. So maybe I can be your expert for all things Bremen. Anyway, so there's that. But the big part of the trip is at the festival. And as I said before, I did not get approved for a press pass for Wacken Open Air. It is a huge, huge festival. So I basically would have had to been with like Oprah or something in order to get press credentials there. But hopefully once they see what I do there, they will beg me to come back and be part of the press corps there. A lot of stuff they put out is only in German, which makes sense. They're in Germany. But a lot of people in Europe speak English, and that is one of the common bonds amongst a lot of the Europeans that go there is they can speak to each other in English. I think my friends from Iceland can vouch for that. Anyway, that's pretty much all I had to say. Thanks for checking out this video. I'm hungry. There's actually a movie on Amazon Prime about Wacken from last year that I'm about to watch. But it says, do I want to tag Jason Kunke in this video? You know what? I will. Boom. You're getting tagged, Jason, even though you don't even use Facebook anymore. Oh, I'm hitting the button. There we go. He's tagged. Wait, and Matthew, I'm going to tag Matthew Hall too. I don't know why it's asking me to tag Matthew and Jason. Maybe we're all starting to look alike or something. But, oh, my hair is going to be something crazy. Not too crazy. Something different is going to happen to my hair. So, thanks for watching. And friends of Matthew and Jason that are wondering, who the hell is this guy and why are they tagged in this video? Well, check out the Most Epic Adventures Facebook page to find out more. All right, guys. Have a good night. Have a good weekend. And I will talk to you very soon. Mwah.